want to give your business a competitive edge and improve the chances of your success? Are you tired of struggling and waiting for clients to come and buy your products and services? Do you know that the name of your business can be holding you back from achieving the profitability that you're looking for? Are you struggling to stand out in a crowded marketplace which is getting competitive day by day and every single day? Are you ready to take on your business to the next level? If the answer to these questions is a yes, then don't leave your business success chance. Hi everyone, I am Ahmad. I'm a master numerologist, a name expert and a guidance coach. I will help uncover the hidden energy in your business name and align the name to create your branding and attract the right clientele naturally and profitably. Investing in your business name is investing in success and longevity in your business. Don't miss out this opportunity and settle for mediocrity in your business. This will hold your business success back and you will suffer losses. Your business name numerology is a roadmap and foundation to your success and building a brand for yourself. So don't wait. Click on the link below and book your business name numerology session today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and like our page and share our videos. Thank you.